friends, I'm Brian Cosby, this is Provide and Protect, and today we're doing a review of this DeWalt adjustable height shop stool. So let's get into it. So I love being able to move around my shop with ease, and I love the flexibility that a shop stool like this gives me, that I can be over at one workstation doing something over here, and if I need a tool, I can quickly slide over here, grab a tool, and then slide right back. Pretty handy. And this adjustable height shop stool, it has this nice pad top right here. It's got a little bit of a seat back here, so you can kind of be seated into it, and a little bit of a back. It's not a full backrest, which I kind of like, just in case I need to really move and swing my arms and grab something over here, I can. But it goes up and down. Here's the lowest level. This is 22.5 inches, and if I want to go all the way up, there is almost 27 inches, so quite a bit of adjustment. It's just this little lever here on the side and go up and down. So that's pretty nice. Obviously, it is a 360 swivel, which is kind of cool. The other thing about it is that it came with these casters already on it, these wheels already on it. But it also came, if you wanted to make this just stationary and not having these casters on here, it came with these pretty rugged nylon feet that you can just you take the casters off and put those on, and that's just fine. So you have the option. It says it holds something between 250 and 300 pounds, depending on the height of this, is the weight limit on this. It also has this shelf down here, and that's kind of nice because, if I have a tool, let's say I have a tool over here, and I want to, if I'm working over here, I can put this tool down here, slide over, work, come back, and grab that, and be good to go. So the shelf down there is nice, and when I think about the workspaces that I have, one of them is this area over here, and this was a problem. This was a problem for me because I couldn't fit. You have these stools over here, and they're pretty tall. These stools are pretty tall. I'm bringing it a little bit closer in here, but you can kind of see that between the height, the top of the stool, and the bottom of this rail here, you can't fit any. You can't get your legs in there, and that's kind of a problem. And I can't raise or lower these. They're stationary. They're not movable, so I'm gonna move them in and out. But with this, I can get up right up here. I can raise this up, do my work, no problem. So that's pretty nice that I can now use this space with a stool like this. I didn't even think about that when I bought these other stools, that they'd be so tall that I just thought about, okay, the height will fit under here. But sometimes you want to kind of sit at the table and be able to have your legs under there. So now I can do that with this stool. So anyway, I've really enjoyed this so far. And it took, maybe 1 minute to put this together. Again, I already had the casters on there, and so I just added the little pole and the seat on top. That was it. So very easy to set up. So anyway, I'm really happy with it. Looking forward to using this for many years to come. All right, so here's the product on Home Depot, and this is where I purchased it. You can see the picture here, the main picture, and better picture than what I had on my. You can see the height there, and some other pictures of the seat, some other close-ups of the product. So probably better than what I could do in my shop there, but you can get a good idea from those in the height adjustment. So. Let's see, product details, and let's see, 24, so powder coated, industrial grade, steel uprights, cross beams. So certainly strong, The other thing is you see the height adjustment there. Now, it says it can go to 28 inches. I measured it myself. It's 27. So I said it right earlier. I did not see it 28. 300 pounds. So that's I don't know how to test that. I'm not 300 pounds, so who knows about that. But again, 28 inches. It keeps saying that. Yeah, that's it's 27. I did measure it carefully a couple times just to make sure. But I talked about those nylon feet that you can put on there if you want to, and certainly those come with it. Here's some specifications. You can see there what we're looking at. And do you want to mention the total product weight? 19 pounds. So it's not too heavy, but heavy enough to be something solid to sit on. So anyway, yep, there it is. So if you're in the market for a shop stool, then this might be a good way to go. I hope it's been helpful for you today, and if you've not already done so, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you and your support, and we'll see you on the next video.